To change your Roblox avatar, start by opening the menu. On mobile or web, tap the three lines, hamburger icon, at the top left, or on mobile, you can tap the avatar icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open up the main menu. Once you're in the menu, select Avatar to go to the Avatar Editor. From there, you can customize your avatar however you want. If you want to change your body or head, tap on the Head and Body option. If you want to adjust your skin tone, tap on Skin Tone to change your overall color, where you can use the advanced option to color individual body parts like your torso, arms, or legs. For clothing and accessories, tap on categories like clothing, accessories, or animation. Here, you can select items you already own or browse the marketplace to buy new ones. If you're looking to buy new items, you can use Robux to purchase clothing, accessories, and more from the marketplace. As you make changes, they'll usually save automatically, but it's always a good idea to check the preview before you finish. Once you're happy with your look, your changes will be applied, and your avatar will be ready to go.